And now we got it. Boom. That's how we do it. That's how you get free Solana into your wallet. This is just what you have to do and repeat it over and over again. That's how you basically gonna prepare for when Solana is gonna hit $300. What's up guys, and welcome to this new video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can still make money with launching meme coins. Because as you can see, the Solana price has dropped 66% from its all-time high. The last few weeks, we have literally been inside sort of like a bear market, because we have been going up since, well, let's see, January 2023. And we have been going up until the all-time high from recently almost 28 times, guys. Look, 28 times. So if you would have invested $1,000 here, you would have made $28,000. So that means we had already a massive run. 20 times your money is crazy. In how much time? 2 years. 2 years and twice your money. Oh, sorry, 28 times your money. That's fucking insane. So it's logical that we're seeing and experiencing a drop because people made a bunch of money. There's a lot of people with a lot of money that invested in Solana at this pricing point in this area. And of course, it's logical that these people that made so much money right now are selling their coins. They are selling their Solana. So it's logical we're seeing this drop. But is it over yet? Because this means that Solana has been going down this much. This also meant that the whole meme coin market has been going down as well. Like the whole hype meme coins kind of seem dead. But of course there's still a lot of activity. There's still a lot of people making money with meme coins. And I'm doing that as well. And in this video I will show you how you still can do that also. Because I know a lot of people are trying, but almost no one is making money. And that's because some big boys are holding back secrets. And in this video, I will literally expose those secrets to you guys. So how are you going to get free Solana into your wallet? Well, that's by launching meme coins. And if you're going to go to solanatokenlabs.io, you can launch your own meme coin. But I will show you something first. Because as you can see at Photon, if we go to Pump.Fun, if we're going to select Pump.Fun, you can see a lot of meme coins are being created. And none of them are even above 5 or 10K market caps. Like I can continue scrolling. I already know that there's not going to be even one coin that's going to be above 10,000. Here, the first coin, 10K market cap, after all these coins. So that means what's the probability of you hitting 10K market cap? The probabilities of you like, bro, if you want to make money with Pump.Fun meme coins, it's even better if you're just going to go to a casino and play blackjack. Honestly, this shit doesn't work. So what does work? If you go select raydium, you will see like already way less meme coins being launched. So this means there's the whole raydium meme coin space is way less saturated than Pump.Fun. And also all the market caps that are on raydium are way higher, usually on average per meme coin, than Pump.Fun meme coins. You can see already crazy market caps. That's because a lot of people with a lot of Solana, with a lot of money, are looking on raydium. Because you have to be a developer to know how to launch a meme coin on raydium. Like you cannot just simply go on the internet and go suddenly create a meme coin on Solana without knowing how to code. But there's a solution now for this, and that's called solanatokenlabs.io. So I will launch a meme coin live in this video to show you guys the proof that this is the new crazy method that is insane. Like it prints insane amounts of money. It's that easy, guys. So now you go to solanatokenlabs.io. You're going to connect your wallet. You know you can. And I'm going to show you live. Guys, boom, I connected it already. When you do it, the first time you need to, of course, approve the connection. So that's what I did already. As, you know, in my opinion, what has always worked for me is pets and celebrities. That's like the main meta of the whole meme coin space. Yeah, I'm basically going to launch a meme coin with this image. So I already made a design. I'm going to call it Half Pepe. You know, I went to Canva and I made this in 500 by 500 pixels, and I just downloaded. And yeah, for this purpose of the video, we're going to launch the meme coin Half Pepe. So we're going to type in Half Pepe in name. And for the symbol of the coin, so we're going to call it HP. Then you can simply just upload the image you just made of your meme coin. So I just uploaded it. Boom. There we have it. Now we press on next. This is already pre-filled in, so that's amazing. So you have like decimals. We're going to use 9. And the total supply is 1 billion. And here you have the description of your meme coin. So we're going to do like crazy half peppy. Next step, it doesn't matter for the website and socials, you don't have to fill in anything now, but yeah, in future when the raydium market gets saturated, you have to put extra effort and provide these socials too. Here you have to modify the creator information, it also doesn't matter, so unselect this. Yeah, here, you have a custom token address. This is a pro feature here which is provided by this tool. You can change the token address to Pump or Moon and make the game more attractive. All the coins that graduate or succeed on Pump.Fun get launched on raydium. So it will give an impression to your buyer that your coin is already succeeded on Pump.Fun and now it's on raydium. So the next step is that you have here revoke authorities. These 3 options are already turned on automatically. And what this means is that if you deselect this, so if you have it, for example, like this means that you can adjust the token information, like you can adjust everything later after it has been launched. This means that you basically can add more supply after your token has been created. And this means, well, you can read it here, that you can freeze the token accounts of holders. This means no one is going to buy your meme coin, because who is going to buy a meme coin where you can adjust everything and even freeze the token accounts of holders? Like no one is going to buy, so you have to select everything. So the next step for this is that you just create the token. Yeah, you get all kinds of warnings from Phantom, but you can completely ignore, so you just press on proceed anyway. And I will show you guys live that this isn't some weird scam or something. So you can just press on confirm, and I will even show you live right now. I'm doing this so you can see live confirming transactions. I'm launching the meme coin right now, like this is going to be a Solana token on the Solana network. It takes a couple of seconds, but as you can see, the token has been created successfully here. You have the token address. Then you're going to go to raydium to create a liquidity pool. You're going to quote a token to this one. Then you have to write your token name and ticker symbol, add a user token, boom, max 900 million. We have 9 Solana in our wallet, so we're going to do 5 Solana creating the liquidity pool. Fee tier, we're going to do it at 2%. Initialize, we're going to get this, confirm. And our liquidity pool has been created. So if you go to Photon, you can literally see that our meme coin has been launched on raydium. So here it is, guys. If you click on it, there's no data yet because it takes some time to load everything. And now the only thing we have to do is we have to wait until people are buying our meme coin. And people will guarantee to buy our meme coin because it has already been proven that this meme coin has had success on Pump.Fun. So now a lot of people will see this on raydium and they will literally gonna buy our meme coin. Look, we already got some volume right now. We got a lot of bots, but this is of course very small amounts of Solana. Look, as you can see, we got some other ones. Look, this is what I'm talking about, guys. We're getting some volume right now. So now what you have to do if you want to cash out, and by the way, this whole video is fake. This whole video was made with AI, and this is only for educational purposes only. Don't do this. It's dangerous. It's all fake. So yeah, this is just for fun. I'm making a funny video. So now what you have to do is you're going to go to solanatokenlabs.io, manage liquidity. You can go to raydium, here, portfolio. You can do that as well. So if you go to standard, this is where your liquidity pool will show up. So now we basically have to wait and refresh the page. This can take a few minutes, but after that we can remove the liquidity if we want. Of course, we're not going to do that, but that's something we could look into. We didn't get any new buyers yet, but as you can see, we did get a lot of bots buying, and we got one other person that bought for a small amount. So as you can see, that other person just sold. So you might think, is it really that easy? Are we really going to get that much buyers? And are we going to make a couple $100s from this, or even a few $1,000s from this? And you might be right to be thinking that this whole method is a bunch of bullshit and that this doesn't work. And this method has been working way more easy in the past, but there is a little trick right now that I'm doing with every launch I do, and that's go to dextech.fun, and you can basically insert your token address, and you can press on the button to promote your token. And then your token will be promoted on Dex Screener for a very short time, but it's free. So as you can see, our meme coin is gonna get promoted right now on Dex Screener for 10 minutes. So that's really good. I really highly suggest you do that as well. So now we're just waiting. As you can see, we just got someone that bought for 1 Solana. So that's really nice. So this is because we did the DEX hack promotion. So now we're just waiting and we can see just someone else bought as well. So this has been going very well. This is all because of the DEX hack promotion. We just gotta sell. So that's nothing to worry about. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a lot more buys and we're gonna get a lot of people who are going to buy into this meme coin because that's what's been happening already for so long and so many times that I have done this. So now we're just waiting and we just got another buy. So that's really nice. All right, for now I'm just gonna wait and I'm gonna speed up the screen recording so you will see if there's gonna be more buyers or not, and after when I'm gonna sell. All right, so as you can see, we got some buyers and I refresh the page from Raydium all the time and I can see that our liquidity pool has showed up. So now for educational purposes, I'm gonna show you how this works. And now we got it. Boom. That's how we do it. That's how you get free Solana into your wallet. This is just what you have to do and repeat it over and over again. That's how you basically gonna prepare for when Solana is gonna hit $300. At least from now on, 2 or 3 extra money because Solana is $126. So for example, if Solana is gonna go from here to $300, let's check. You're gonna get like around 150% profit on that without doing anything. Good luck. If you have any questions, join my Telegram group below to stay updated also from the latest meme coin trends. And good luck launching meme coins.